Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on highway engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about the classification of highways in India. I am S. Logeshwaran, Assistant Professor, Senior Grade from KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. So this is the continuation video of the last series, classification of highways. Once again, let us recall. Depending on the weather, the highway classification is all weather roads and fair weather roads. Depending on the type of carriageway, paved roads and unpaved roads, underpaved roads, WBM, waterbound, macadam roads, and in unpaved roads, it may be either earth road or a gravel road. Depending upon the pavement surface, surfaced roads, that is bitumen roads or cement concrete roads, and second classification is unsurfaced roads. Based on the traffic volume, so it can be categorized into three types: light traffic, medium traffic, and heavy traffic roads. Based on the load or tonnage, it may be either class 1 or class 2 type or class A or B based on the tonnages handled by the carriageway per day. Based on the location and function, as per Nagpur Road Plan, which is nothing but 20-year road development plan in India, there are 5 major classifications: National Highway, shortly called as NH, State Highway, SH, Major District Roads, MDR, Other District Roads, ODR, and Village Roads, VR. Based on the modified system of highway classification, there are 3 major categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary. So, under primary classification, expressways are national highways; in secondary, state highways are major district roads; and in tertiary, other district roads are village roads. So, this is the consolidated classification of highways, what we have seen so far. So, first one, let us discuss about the expressways. So, it carries heavy traffic we can travel at a maximum speed of 120 km per hour, which is nothing but your design speed. The land width is usually 90 meter. We have full access control for the vehicles. It connects major points of traffic generation. No slow moving vehicle allowed here, like bullock carts or horse carts or hand carts. And no loading, unloading, and parking are allowed in the expressways. The second thing is about the national highways. National highways are the main highways running throughout the length and breadth of the India, connecting major ports, foreign highways, capital of large streets, and large industrial and tourist centers, including roads required for strategic movements for the defense of India. The national highways have a total length of 70,548 kilometers. So it's the old data, now it is revised. Indian highways covers 2% of the total road network of India and carry 40% of the total traffic. The highway connecting Delhi, Ambala, and Amritsar is denoted as National Highway 1. So, this is the most important question which was asked in many competitive examinations. So, the viewers, those who are preparing for competitive examination, must note down this point. Whereas a bifurcation of this highway beyond Jalandhar to Srinagar and Uri is denoted as National Highway 1A. And similarly, the longest national highway in India is NH7, which stretches from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh to Kanyakumari in southernmost part of the Indian mainland. The shortest national highway is NH47A. Again, please note down these 2 points. The longest national highway in India is Varanasi to Kanyakumari. So, the total length is we will discuss about the total length later. The shortest national highway is NH47E, which stretches from Ernakulam to Kochi, and covers a total length of 4 kilometers. Next, Golden Quadrilateral Project. So it is a 5,846 kilometer road length in India, connecting 4 major cities. Starts from Delhi to Calcutta, Calcutta to Chennai, and Chennai to Mumbai, and finally Mumbai to New Delhi. So these are some of the another major routes, and the distance between Delhi to Kolkata is 4,453 kilometers, and in one competitive examination the distance between Chennai and Kolkata was asked. So the distance is 1,684 kilometer, and similarly Chennai to Mumbai 1,290 and Delhi to Mumbai 1,419 kilometers. The Indian National Highway, so the same content is repeated here. Indian National Highway having a total length of 70,548 kilometers. It is the total 2% of the road network, and the Golden Quadrilateral project total length is 5846 kilometers. Other roads in India includes state highways, major district roads, and other district roads and village roads. In state highways, these are the arterial roads of the states connecting up with the major national highways, district headquarters, and important cities within the state. The total length of the state highway in the country is 1,37,119 kilometers. Again, this data is an old one, so please refer to the new data in the Wikipedia. Major district roads. Important roads within a district serving areas of production and markets, connecting those with each other or with its major highways. So the total length of the MDR is 4,70,000 kilometers. Other district roads serves as the rural routes and linked to major district road or state highways. Village roads connecting villages or group of villages with each other or to the nearest road of a higher category like MDR or SH. So the total length of the other district roads and village roads are 26,50,000 kilometers of ODR plus VR, out of which the total 33,15,000 to 31 kilometers of all types of roads. So this type of classification is also called as urban road classification. So far we have discussed about the outer routes which connects to the major cities, but in this part we are going to discuss about the routes within the city limit. Okay, so urban road classification, under that arterial routes, subarterial, collector, local street, cul-de-sac, pathway and driveway. So in arterial routes, these are the major roads, no frontage access, standing vehicles are not allowed, very little cross traffic. The design speed is usually 80 km per hour. The land width required for the arterial roads is 50 to 60 meter. Divided roads with full or partial parking is allowed. Usually it is provided with the center medians. Pedestrians are allowed to walk only at the intersections and are not allowed to run over the carriageway. The next classification is subarterial road, bus stops but no standing vehicles. Less mobility than arterial. Spacing for Central Business District CBD is 0.5 km, and the design speed is reduced from 80 to 60 km per hour. In earlier arterial roads we have seen 80 km per hour, and here 60 km per hour only we can able to travel. And similarly 50 to 60 meter we have seen in the arterial roads for land width, but here it is reduced to 30 to 40 meter. Next one, collector street, collects and distributes traffic from the local streets, provide access to the arterial roads. Located in residential, business and industrial areas, full access is allowed, parking permitted. Design speed is again reduced to 50 km per hour. Land width is equal to 20 to 30 meter. So local street, the design speed 30 km per hour, land width 10 to 20 meter, primary access to residence, business or other abutting property. Less volume of traffic at slow speed, unrestricted parking, pedestrian movements with frontage access, parked vehicle, bus stops and no waiting restrictions. Cul-de-sac, these are called as dead-end streets, access for entry and exit, recommended in residential community areas. And driveway is a type of private road for local access to one or small group of structures and is owned and maintained by an individual. Driveways are commonly used as paths to private garages, fuel stations or houses. Thanks for watching the video. We will discuss further about the highway alignment in the upcoming videos. Thank you.